If you need to clean the USB port of your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then the best way to do so is by using compressed air or even a toothpick. So first of all, of course, you want to turn off the device. You don't want to clean the USB port while the device is on. If you have access to compressed air, you can use the can of the air to blow away loose particles that may be found inside the USB port. Every dust should be also blown away by using the compressed air. If there is something stuck in the USB port, you can use a toothpick, a wooden or plastic toothpick, and you can try to take it out gently from one side to the other until everything is removed from the port. You should definitely avoid scratching or damaging components that we can find inside the port, so keep that in mind and be really careful with that so that you don't damage the USB port. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.